Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have discussed about variables. In that, we have discussed about var and constant. So now we'll discuss about let. So we have created let variable here using this let keyword, and variable name is let data. So I will write one function here, and bl- function name is block2, and in that I am assigning the data to this let variable 23. I am assigning, and I am printing that. So I'm expecting 23. We'll see. So 23 as expected printed. So what happened here? We have declared one variable called let data using the keyword let. So here we are assigning the data to that variable. So that means we are able to access and we are able to assign the data. Next I will do one more thing. Like I will redeclare this let data. Um, and then I will do console. So what will happen? We'll see. Actually, it will get error. See, reference error. So it means once we have declared a variable using a let keyword, same variable we can't redeclare. Only we can reassign the data. I will show you that. So one condition I will write. In this condition, I will redeclare the variable with 34 um, and console. So we are expecting 34. We'll see. So 34 got printed. So here what it means is once we declare the variable using the let keyword, we can assign data and we can reassign the data, but we can't redeclare the variable. Okay, that we have to understand. When we redeclare the variable, it will throw a error. Also, one more thing. See, I have created this let variable outside of this function. So now I will create one more function, sorry, one more let variable here outside of the if block. So let data to. So here mm, let data to. I can assign 36. Also I can print as usual as like before let data to, and it will print 36 here also. So one more thing I will tell you. Um, so what we did is here outside of the function we have created let variable let data variable, and inside of this function we have created one more variable let data too. So both we are able to access in this block, in this if block. Do you got it? Why? Because this let data is in outside of the function and this let data is in outside of the if block. That's why we can access. But if you want to access let data to variable, we can't. I will show you that. It is throwing a reference error because it is declared in this function only. So it is declared, it is created in this function only. Once this function is closed, after this bracket, this variable got cleared or got um, collapsed. It won't be there. That is the reason we are getting this reference error. Thank you. We'll discuss, we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.